Welcome students for the lecture of spectroscopy. Last time we have seen the vibrational spectra of diatomic molecule. Also we have designed the vibrational energy level diagram and the energy difference, that is delta E phi, it is equal to omega bar oscillation, and the unit here centimeter inverse. Here for different phi values we have the vibrational energies as 1 half omega oscillation, 3 by 2 omega oscillation, then 5 by 2 omega oscillation, 7 by 2, 9 by 2. These are the vibrational energy level values for different phi quantum number, and uh, this is the 0 point energy. That means at phi equal to 0 level also the molecules are not at rest, and the delta E, it is always constant one. Then here when the vibrations are not harmonic, that means real molecules, real diatomic molecules, when they are stretching or bending, it is not harmonic. At that time, this perfect U-shaped curve, it gets violated, and in case of unharmonic oscillator, we have this is the violated curve, and when the delta phi it is equal to plus or minus 1, we get a fundamental transition. When delta phi it is equal to plus minus 2, at that time we have first overtone transition. For the transition of phi it is equal to 0 to phi it is equal to 2, we get the first overtone transition, and when delta phi it is equal to 3, we get a second overtone transition. That means the transition of uh, phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 3, that is the second overtone transition or second overtone band we have. Then in order to account for unharmonicity, the expression of vibrational energy it gets modified, and uh, we can apply the modified vibrational energy equation as E phi it is equal to phi plus 1 half h omega oscillation minus a, where a it is equal to phi plus 1 half bracket square into h omega oscillation into x, where x it is the unharmonicity constant, and which is very small and having value approximately equal to plus 0.01. As compared to oscillating frequency, this value is very small. Therefore, uh, we can express the vibrational energy for unharmonic oscillator as E phi it is equal to phi plus 1 half into omega oscillation bar minus phi plus 1 half square into omega oscillation bar into x. On the basis of selection rule, the fundamental and overtone transitions are explained as follows. Here, it is found that most of the molecules initially are present at phi equal to 0 level, and therefore the transition from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 1 takes place, and we get a fundamental band at the frequency at omega bar oscillation. Its energy in terms of wave number. Then when the transition takes place as from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 1 in case of anharmonic oscillator, and putting the values of phi equal to 1 and phi equal to 0 in the energy, vibrational energy for anharmonic oscillator, we can write 3 by 2 omega bar oscillation minus 9 by 4 omega bar oscillation into x minus 1 half omega bar oscillation minus 1 by 4 omega bar oscillation into x. That is the difference delta E phi, it is equal to omega bar oscillation in a bracket 1 minus 2x. Remember that here we have put the phi equal to 1 value and phi equal to 0 value, and by taking the difference we get omega bar oscillation in a bracket 1 minus 2x centimeter inverse. This is the energy difference when the transition takes place from phi equal to 1 to phi equal to 0 level, or from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 1 level. Then here for the transition phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 2, that means first overtone transition, here the energy difference we can find by subtracting E phi equal to 2 minus E phi equal to 0 and putting the value as phi equal to 2 and phi equal to 0 and taking the difference, we get 2 omega bar oscillation in a bracket 1 minus 3x, and the band produced due to this transition violating selection rule delta phi equal to plus minus 1 is known as the first overtone transition. Similarly, for a second overtone transition will be from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 3, and putting the values of phi equal to 3 and phi equal to 0 and taking the ratio, uh, taking the difference of these energies, we get delta E phi for the transition 0 to 3, that is second overtone transition, we get 3 omega bar oscillation in a bracket 1 minus 4x into centimeter inverse. This is the unit. Then the changes in vibrational quantum number greater than 3, that is delta phi, it is greater than 3, are rare, as the unharmonicity constant x is approximately equal to 0.01. The above three bands are close to omega bar oscillation, 2 omega bar oscillation and 3 omega bar oscillation respectively. Thus, it can be seen that the energies in terms of wave number of fundamental first overtone and second overtone transitions are approximately in the ratio 1 has to 2 has to 3. For example, in case of HCl spectrum shows delta E phi values as here for first transition or fundamental transition, here the energy delta E phi in centimeter inverse, it is 2886. Then for first overtone transition, the delta E phi value here it is 5668, And for second overtone transition, that means the transition from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 3, the delta E phi value here it is 8347. The intensity of spectral lines decreases sharply at higher overtone transitions. These overtones are shown in the figure. Here, then the interaction of radiation with rotating with the vibrating molecule. When infrared radiation is allowed to fall upon a sample of heteronuclear diatomic molecule, the vibrating molecules can absorb energy from the radiation and increases their vibrational energy. Therefore, it may be said that these molecules are infrared active. The mechanism of energy transitions between radiations and vibrating molecules is similar to that of rotational spectra. When the molecule is to become infrared active, its vibrational motion must give rise to fluctuating dipole moment. Therefore, the heteronuclear diatomic molecules like CO, carbon monoxide, HCl, hydrochloric acid, NO, nitrous oxide, etc. give vibrational spectra, while homonuclear diatomic molecules like H2, Cl2, O2, etc. do not give the vibrational spectra. Then again I will repeat the vibrational energy level here. This is the vibrational energy level diagram for a diatomic molecule. This is a perfect U-shaped graph, and this is the diagram of energy versus internuclear distance. As the energy increases, the internuclear distance also increases, and the selection rule obeyed here, it is delta phi, it is equal to plus minus 1. Plus 1 sign for absorption and minus 1 sign for a repulsion. And the vibrational energy of a diatomic molecule, it is given by the equation phi E phi, it is equal to phi plus 1 half into h upon h into omega oscillation, where omega oscillation, it is the oscillation frequency, and real diatomic molecules, they do not obey the Hooke's law. Therefore, there is a modification in the vibrational energies of anharmonic oscillators. And the nature of the vibrational spectrum, here it is, we have a single line at the frequency omega bar oscillation. The vibrational energy levels allowed transitions showing only one line in the spectrum of diatomic molecule as a simple harmonic oscillators. Then here this diagram shows the overtone transitions, and overtone transitions means when the delta phi, that is selection rule, it is equal to either plus minus 1, plus minus 2 or plus minus 3, etc. these values, and instead of getting a perfect U-shaped curve, here we have a violated or distorted curve, and it is also called as a Morse potential energy curve. as we increase the energy, the dissociation or breaking of the bond takes place here. Then this is the first transition shown from phi it is equal to 0 to phi equal to 1, and this is called as fundamental band. Then the transition from phi it is equal to 0 to phi it is equal to 2, it is called as first overtone transition. Here the transition phi it is equal to 0 to phi equal to 3, it is called as second overtone transition or second overtone band. And this is the energy curve for anharmonic oscillator. And the vibrational energy of anharmonic oscillators, it is modified by applying a correction term A, and this A it is nothing but phi plus 1/2 bracket square into h omega oscillation into x, where h it is again Planck's constant, omega oscillation it is a frequency, and x it is a unharmonicity constant, and which is very small and having value approximately equal to 0.01, and it is very less as compared to the oscillating frequency. Then here, by putting the phi values here as 0, 1, 2 and so on, we can find the E phi values for the unharmonic oscillators also. And on the basis of selection rule, the fundamental and overtone bands are explained here. It is found that most of the molecules are initially present in the phi it is equal to 0 level. Therefore, the transition from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 1, it gives the intense line, because this line it is called as fundamental band. Its energy in terms of wave number, it is given as here. This is the transition from phi equal to 1 to phi equal to 0, and putting the value here, we get 3 by 2 omega bar oscillation minus 9 by 4 omega bar oscillation into x minus 1/2 omega bar oscillation minus 1/2, and taking the difference, we get omega bar oscillation in a bracket 1 minus 2x, and the unit here it is centimeter inverse. Then for the first overtone transition here, we have the transition from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 2, and the energy difference it becomes equal to 2 omega bar oscillation in bracket 1 minus 3x, and the band produced due to this transition violating the selection rule, that is delta phi it is equal to plus minus 1, and it is known as first overtone transition. Similarly, for second overtone transition will be from phi equal to 0 to phi equal to 3, and delta E phi, for this transition we get 3 omega bar oscillation in a bracket 1 minus 4x, and these transitions are weaker one. And here remember that the interaction of radiation with vibrating molecule, it should produce a fluctuating dipole moment. That means when the vibrations takes place, a induced dipole moment is arises in the molecule, and due to this the interaction takes place, and this is about the vibrational spectra of diatomic molecules.